Hi guys, it's your girl Latoya K. I'm back again with another video. Today I will be making some Walker's jerk curry shrimp with coconut cream. Right there I have a mixture of salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, all-purpose season and fish season. I'm gonna add a little to my shrimp because you know we as Jamaican we love our food very seasoned, very flavorful. There I'm adding a little half teaspoon of the Walker's Wood jerk because it is a jerk curry shrimp. Just a half teaspoon because you know the Walker's Wood can be very spicy and very overpowering, so you don't want to add too much. Yeah, and I'm just gonna mix that in very nicely. Also guys, what I do when I'm making curry, I burn some of the curry in the pot, but I also add a small amount of curry to whatever meat I am using, just because I want the color to be very bright and pretty. I like a lot of curry on my food. If I'm eating curry, it must taste like curry. There I have right now the little season that I'm going to be using. Guys, market is very expensive. So at this time, I cannot use no whole heap of wagga wagga season in my food. I have to take time with my season them because I have to make them stretch. Market very expensive. We can't afford to overuse season in one pot. We have to make it stretch for serve for the little time until we go back to the market. So there I am chopping up all my little aromatics to make the pot nice, because you know Jamaica people not like cook food without season. We like one food season. That is why when I travel I have such a hard time finding food, because I can't eat the food if it not tastes good. Well, there you have it now, all my season that I'll be using. Now I'm prepping my Irish potato, because with this curry shrimp I'll be having some mashed potatoes. Very nice guys, mashed potato and curry shrimp. If you never eat it before, try it. When I'm doing my mashed potato, I always add a little piece of garlic to add flavor to my potato. Okay, now I'm testing my potato to see if they're cooked, and they seem to be cooked and nice. Anyway guys, if you haven't subscribed as yet, please remember to do so. Like, comment and share the video. Guys, we're on the road to 100 subscribers. Please guys, let's get there. Let's get there. Now I'm adding my little season, my garlic and my little thyme, because we're gonna burn the curry. Guys, burn your curry before you cook your food, especially when you're gonna cook a meat that doesn't take long to cook. You have to burn the curry a little. I don't know about you guys, that is why I'm gonna love eat certain type of meat that is curried from some people. You see, when you go cook meat like all shrimp when it take long for cook, you have to make sure so you burn the curry a little in the pot. Curry take a little while to cook. Okay guys? So now I'm gonna add a little coconut cream. First I'm gonna add my carrot though, because you know the carrot take longer for cook than everything. So I'm gonna put the little carrot in the pot, make it cook. I don't want a tough carrot. Everything I got nice and soft, so we just want the carrot to cook a little before we add anything else. Always remember, when you're cooking these quick pot guys, anything that take longer to cook, add them in the pot. Shrimp take like 5 minutes to cook. You don't want the shrimp to overcook guys. If the shrimp overcook, it's going to be tough. When I say tough, I mean barky tough. And shrimp so expensive, you can't afford to waste your shrimp. Cook all of the things them we're gonna take long for cook. Pre-cook them, like the carrot. Cook the carrot before you put in your shrimp in your pot. Put in your coconut cream, make your coconut cream boil down little, because you know say coconut and curry or something we have to cook properly. There I'm adding a little chiffon butter. Nobody come tell me about too much butter. I nah do no healthy cooking. A nice pot me I cook. Me want the pot to taste nice. So me I add my butter. Me I add everything for flavor up my pot. And a healthy cooking we are the nice cooking. Just kidding, guys. It's still healthy, but I'm adding a little bit of a flavor. Okay, there I'm letting my coconut cream and my curry cook down a little before I add my shrimp. Now it's time to add the shrimp, and remember guys, when the shrimp go in the pot, you have to watch the pot. Nobody go watch no TV and forget the shrimp and the fire, cause the shrimp, if the shrimp overcook it a go tough. Remember that guys, you don't want a tough shrimp. Add in the rest of my little season them quick and fast. Make them melt down in the pot with the shrimp. Add a little bit more on the coconut cream I did have left over. And now it's time for the pot to just simmer and everything will come together. Add 2 little grain of pimento seed, yeah. Stir up my pot again. Taste my pot to see if everything alright. Yeah. Everything will come nice. It'll come together nicely, guys, and it'll get thick. You don't want a water gravy. Oh, that's the finished product. How does it look, guys? Tell me so that no look good. Now me I mash my potato with little butter and a little bit of milk. And remember the garlic in it already. We're going to get the flavor. Mash. My potato masher broke, guys. So me have to use the whisk. Now I'm plating up my lovely meal, guys. I wish you could have tasted this food. Chef kiss. Not because of me cook it. Me I tell you, guys. When I go restaurant, go pay me how much in thousand for your shrimp food, me not enjoy it so. Like how I enjoy this. And I'm serving this up, guys, with a little blanched vegetables. And that is it. Please remember, guys, to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Road to 100 subscribers. Love you guys. It's your girl Latoya K. Mwah.